So I'm going to try a different type of video here. So we'll sort of have a little bit of side angle on this. But I just received something from Amazon. So let's open this up. And my dog thinks it's for her. There we go. Yes, it's a nice plastic bag. So this is the less exciting thing. This is part of what's here in the box. Made in Korea. That's not something you see every day. Okay, well, there's minus 10 points right off the bat. How does that get damaged? Well, let me just adjust the angle again, but this is the Core Aviation headset. Let's see what this looks like. If I can get it open. Come on. There we go. It's a very good presentation, in my opinion. So they give us, for me, this very nice carrying case. Comes with it, which I don't need, but it's complimentary. And then some instructions printed on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and there's the brand on the top right. Pretty good English translation for the. Usually, if you buy something from a company in China or Korea, they try to translate it and do a very, very poor job. So that was just the box. Now for the fun part. Let's get this back in the frame. Let's see, is there anything in here? Probably not. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So this I paid, I believe, like $160 for instead of getting the David Clark. Ooh, okay. So what have we here? We'll go with the small stuff. Okay, so this looks like it's the, this is the wind muff for the microphone. And now this is the actual headset. Wow, this looks very nice. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Feels very, very solid. I hope I'm staying on camera. So there we go. Alright, got that in the box. So here is the headset itself. There. Looks like it's a very, very nice set for the price I paid. It looks like it has a lot of padding up there. But let's, oh, it looks like they just gave me an extra thing to put over the mic, because as you can see here, there's already one on it. But, oh yeah, there's also this, which is a mono stereo switch, which I believe is useful. I don't know what it'd be used for. And of course your GA plugs right there. Another look at it. But I'll probably make another video once I try these out this weekend. And oh yeah, let me get back to this. So these go over the gel pads to apparently keep your ears cool. I don't understand how that works, but that's apparently the way that it works. But yes, I will be back hopefully on Sunday with a conclusion video when I get to try these out. So that's it.